Welcome, dear students. In our first grammar class, we saw the explanation of articles, and today our session is for the exercises of articles. At that time, because of some issues, it was not possible to record the video of that exercises. So today we will cover that exercises. And so let's start our video. As you all know, my name is Andani Mittal, and let's start our exercise 1. Fill in the blanks with suitable indefinite articles. So our first exercise is that we have to use the suitable articles for the given sentences. So let's start. There is dash nest in the tree. So nest has an consonant over here, and also it is a singular and countable, so we have used a. There is dash egg inside it. So egg is vowel, so we have used n before it. Now next, dash ambulance takes sick people to hospital. Ambulance a has vowel over here, so we have used n before it. Now next, dash eagle can fly high in the air, but dash hen cannot do so. Eagle has e vowel over here, so we have used n before it, and hen has h consonant, so we have used a as a article over here. So now let's move on to the fourth one. Fourth one is the policeman wears dash uniform. See, as I told you in the explanation that whenever we get a sound of uni, so we will always use a over there as an article. Okay, so uni, wherever uni sound comes, we will use a as an article before it. Now next, Kitty gave her teacher dash orchid and dash rose. Orchid has o as vowel, so we have used n, and rose as r as a consonant, so we have used a over here. Do you have dash answer to my question? So answer, so before it we will use n. He is dash honest man. See, honest has h silent over here, so first letter becomes o, which is vowel. So we will use n as article. He is an honest man. Now next, Uncle Pervez lost dash oar while rowing dash boat in the lake. So oar has o vowel, so we have used an, and rowing the boat. Boat is a particular thing, so we have used the boat. Now next, dash insect is dash small creature. Insect has I as a vowel, so and before it, and small creature, small is s as a consonant, so we have used a before it. Now next, do you have dash extra pen? E is vowel, so before it and will be the article. So this was our exercise A. Now let's move on to exercise B. Exercise B is insert a and or the wherever needed in the following sentences and rewrite them. So in this exercise, wherever the article is required, you have to insert there and you have to write the answer in full sentences. I have written only the article, but you have to write in full sentence. Understood? So let's start. We see moon at night. So here the will come, the moon, because moon is a particular object. So we see the moon at night. Now next, Kitty put dash ice cube in her lemonade. So ice has I vowel, so before it we will use n. Understood? Now next, book you want is not in the library. So the book you want is not in the library. Okay, book means the particular book he wants, and that also in the particular place, that is library. So both is particular things, so we have used the before it. Now next, this is peacock. Peacock has colorful feathers. So peacock is only one, and also is that it has p as a consonant, so we have used a before it. Peacock has colorful feathers. So the peacock has colorful. So peacock has colorful feathers. So here particular name is given, that is the peacock. Okay. Here why the will not come? This is the peacock we cannot say because it is a consonant on, also it is a singular. So this is a peacock and the peacock has a colorful feathers because here we are talking about the particular peacock. Okay. Now next, may I have envelope. So here E is vowel, so we have used and before it. I will put my letter in the envelope, so that particular envelope is said over here, mentioned over here, so we have used the before it. You have to read this previous sentence also, then only you have to use article over here. Understood? Now next, Peter bought new bike, so a new bike. Now that particular new bike is mentioned over here in the next sentence, so the bike is red and black because this, see, पहले क्या है कि पहले उसने ऐसा बोला कि पीटर एक नई बाइक लाया, तो ये न्यू बाइक के आगे हमने ए लगाया, फिर अगले सेंटेंस में उसी बाइक की बात की है, वही पर्टिकुलर बाइक की बात बताई है, इसलिए हमने द यूज़ किया, द बाइक इज़ रेड एंड ब्लैक. अंडरस्टूड? सो दिस 3 sentences are most important, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, please note down. Now next, there is orchard nearby. Orchard has many apple trees. See here, first O is vowel, so we have used and before it. Now in the next sentence, in the next part, that orchard is only mentioned, so we have used the orchard has many apple trees. पहले हमने क्या बताया कि एक ऑर्चार्ड है नियर बाय में, फिर उसी ऑर्चार्ड में बहुत सारे एप्पल ट्रीज हैं. अंडरस्टूड? एक ही बात को दूसरी बार जब यूज़ करो तो उसके आगे क्या लगाना होगा? द. अंडरस्टूड? इन द एक्सप्लेनेशन वी सो दैट जब हम पहली बार किसी बात की बात कर रहे हो तो वहाँ पे ए यूज़ होगा अगर कॉन्सोनेंट हो तो, और वही बात हम दोबारा करें तो उसके आगे द यूज़ करना होगा. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ नेक्स्ट, Ganga's is holy river. So Ganga is a particular name. So the Ganga is a holy river. Understood? Now next, can I have piece of cake? So only one piece. See, so we have used a before it. And that piece is talking about, that piece is talked about. So the cake is very टेस्टी. दूसरी बात वही पीस की बात की है, इसलिए द केक. नाउ प्रीति बॉट new raincoat. Raincoat is transparent, so Preeti bought a new raincoat because एक ही है और पहली बार बात कर रहे हैं, इसलिए a new raincoat. Now नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस में वो ही रेनकोट की बात दूसरी बार कर रहे हैं, इसलिए द रेनकोट इज ट्रांसपेरेंट. ओके, नाउ this was our exercise B. Now let's move on to exercise C. So exercise C is fill in the blanks with a, an or the. Put cross where no article is required. So you have to use the articles wherever required. So the breakfast in the hostel consists of dash, milk, bread and jam. See here, breakfast is a particular meal. Okay, so the breakfast, and hostel is also particular place, so the hostel, and milk, bread and jam we cannot count, so we have put cross over there. Now next, dash bread is made from dash flour and flour is made from dash wheat. See here, bread is also not countable, flour is also not countable and wheat is also uncountable, so we have put cross over here in 3 of them. Now next, there is dash fly in dash room. So fly is only one, and which fly we don't know, house fly or butterfly we don't know, so we have used a over here, and the room is a particular place, so before it we have used the room. Understood? Now next, there was dash accident near dash highest. There was dash accident near dash gate of dash school dash day before yesterday. So accident has a as vowel, so we have used an accident, and gate means the particular thing, so the gate, and school is also particular, so the school, and the day is also particular, so the day before yesterday, particular day is talked here. Now fifth one, dash boy who scored. See, particular boy is mentioned कि वो boy जिसने score किया है, so the boy who scored the highest particular marks, so the highest marks, और superlative degree भी use हुई है highest, so उसके आगे the, in the senior school examination particular exam was awarded a scholarship. He is the son of a carpenter. Understood? Now next. Dash people of France. See, particular people, France people. So the people of France are called dash French. We cannot count French. They speak French because we cannot count the language. Understood? Now seventh, dash English. We cannot count English, so we have put cross. Is dash the language, is dash language of dash people of England. Particular language, so the, and also particular people, that is people of England, so before it also the. Now next, Harry plays dash piano. See, I told you that whenever musical instruments are mentioned, we have to use the before it. So the piano, but his brother prefers to play dash tennis. So the tennis will not come. It is only he prefers to play tennis. When we reached dash station, we found that dash frontier mail was running dash hour and dash half late. So the station, the frontier mail was running R because H is silent. So O is the first letter vowel. So N R and a half late. Here half is a sound is of H consonant. So now next, the Nile is the longest river in the world. See, Nile is particular name, so the, and longest is superlative degree, so the, and the world is particular place, so the Nile is the longest river in the world. So this all exercise you have to fill up in your textbook and you have to revise as many as time you can, because this chapter is included in your unit test which is starting from Monday onwards. So please concentrate on this unit, and this was all for today. Thank you. And if you want to understand the chapter or revise the chapter again, then you can go to the explanation of the articles which was given in the first video. Understood? So this was all for today. Thank you.